down in Belle Chasse, Louisiana, and bringing you another update on the Belle Chasse Bridge and Tunnel. And today marks the end of an era. It's Wednesday, December 20th, 2023, and the Belle Chasse Tunnel has been closed permanently. And we're going to take a ride across the new bridge, which is only partially open, but it's open enough to get traffic down into Plaquemines Parish. As the bridge has extended outward, it's blocked the southbound approach to the tunnel, and we always knew there would come a point where they would have to close the tunnel in order to continue building the bridge, and we've come to that point today. The tunnel opened in 1956, which was 67 years ago, and began leaking about the same time as that. So 67 years of leaky canal water dripping onto your car, and that's over now. So this is the new bridge, and this is what will eventually be the northbound lanes once the whole bridge is completed. Northbound traffic is still using the old Judge Perez Bridge, which is to our left. And as you can see on the left, that we're much higher than the Judge Perez Bridge. This is about the level where the vertical lift span comes up to allow ships to pass. So there's no more drawbridge, just a high rise. The plan is to just seal off the ends of the tunnel and just let it flood over time. They're not going to remove it. I'm not sure how they would go about removing it. The tunnel wasn't built in the way that most tunnels are built. It was a cut and cover operation. The canal didn't exist prior to the tunnel. And so as they built the canal through, they had to have a way to get LA 23, across where the canal was going to be. So they dug a big trench, built the tunnel in it, covered it over, and then allowed the water to flow through the canal. So anyway, this is just a quick update. We'll be back down here periodically as construction continues. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Follow us on social media, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.